Thanks for joining us on this journey through heavy machinery. If you're as passionate about technology as we are, subscribe for more content like this. When handling intricate tasks like rail dismantling, the Hitachi ZX696 and 2 Liebherr A918 Comp XL as a formidable team. The Hitachi ZX696, with its 331 horsepower and 71-ton weight, powers through heavy-duty jobs with ease. Complemented by the precise handling of the Liebherr A918 Comp machines, this trio operates like a synchronized unit. Their seamless coordination turns the dismantling process on Zurich's La Modelstrasse into a smooth operation, demonstrating their combined efficiency and power in tackling such complex tasks. Watch as Europe's largest telescopic excavator, known as the Sand Giant, uses its 249-foot-long arm to make building demolition an awe-inspiring event. This machine doesn't just knock down structures, it turns the process into an art form. The length of the manipulator allows it to reach the tallest floors and farthest corners with ease, reducing entire buildings to rubble in spectacular fashion. If you're looking for efficiency and drama in demolition, this giant delivers both. In the world of heavy machinery, thrilling displays of power are not uncommon, and one such spectacle features the Bateman Mag Grab and Senebogen 825E taking on a school bus. With the strength of the magnetic grab, these machines make quick work of dismantling and crushing the bus, turning what was once a functioning vehicle into scrap metal. It's a powerful demonstration of industrial might, where massive machines dominate and dismantle with precision, showcasing their destructive capabilities in dramatic fashion. The Tiger Cat Feller Buncher is a true forest powerhouse, stacking trees as if they were mere straws. In strong hydraulic arms clasp around the trunk, smoothly felling the tree and carefully bundling it, ready for transport. When innovation meets ecology, the result is powerful. The Jandinol Group Crawler Trencher exemplifies this balance by combining cutting-edge technology with environmental responsibility. This machine not only digs trenches efficiently, but does so while minimizing environmental impact. Equipped with advanced filtration systems and designed to reduce emissions, the trencher proves that large equipment can operate sustainably. Groundwork can now be done with a focus on preserving nature, showing that even heavy machinery can go green. The Kaiser S2 4x4 Cross, known as the Spider Excavator, is designed for extreme terrain and conditions. Its unique design allows each of its four wheels to adjust independently, offering unmatched stability and maneuverability. With a maximum digging depth of up to 15 feet and a cutting width of up to 6 feet, the Kaiser S2 combines power with adaptability, making it ideal for complex groundwork tasks in challenging environments like steep slopes, forests, or riverbanks. When Heron and Beppe Construction collaborated, they unleashed the power of the Liebherr R9250 Super Long Reach Excavator. This massive machine with an extraordinary reach and durability is built for extreme tasks that most equipment can't handle. Its extended boom allows it to access areas unreachable by standard excavators, making it perfect for complex construction projects. Reinforced for strength and precision, the Liebherr R9250 performs heavy-duty work into a finely tuned performance, pushing the boundaries of modern construction technology. Watch as the Nessie Trencher showcases its strength during low tide, efficiently tackling challenging underwater tasks. With its powerful blades, the trencher carves precise channels through the seabed, ensuring that underwater communications can be installed without issues. Even when faced with tough conditions, the Nessie trencher performs with precision and power, making it the ideal tool for heavy-duty seabed trenching operations, delivering spectacular results where other machines might falter. The FD70 hydromill attached to the Casa Grande B470 XP2 is a top performer in deep foundation construction. It excels in challenging geological environments, ensuring both accuracy and productivity. With a drilling depth of up to 250 feet and a slot width of 30 inches, the FD70 hydromill makes complex tasks more manageable. Equipped with cutting-edge control systems and a robust hydraulic setup, this machine is designed to tackle tough construction projects with precision and power. The SMH CSU bucket elevator is a state-of-the-art material handling solution that can lift up to 33,000 pounds to heights of 100 feet per hour. It integrates high-tech sensors and an automated control system, ensuring precision and operational reliability. Built with robust steel construction, it's designed to withstand tough conditions, and its ease of maintenance helps minimize downtime. The elevator not only optimizes material transport, but also significantly enhances production efficiency with its cutting-edge features and durable build quality. A true revolution in industrial material transportation. The Grove TM1500 hydraulic truck-mounted crane is a high-performance machine that elevates both materials and industry standards. With a maximum lifting capacity of 150 tons and a boom reach extending up to 262 feet, this crane is ideal for handling heavy concrete elements at cement plants. Its powerful hydraulic system ensures precision and efficiency, making complex tasks appear routine. The crane's versatility and strength contribute to increased productivity, making it an essential tool for large-scale industrial projects. The Terex RH30F excavator, paired with the eccentric XR80 Ripper, is an impressive combination designed for demanding construction and mining tasks. The Terex RH30F delivers power and reliability, while the XR80 Ripper boosts its efficiency by allowing it to penetrate hard rock and dense materials with ease. This duo enhances productivity by reducing work time and effort, making it an ideal choice for large-scale projects that require handling the toughest surfaces and buried layers. It's a perfect match for jobs requiring strength and precision. The Genesis shears feature powerful hydraulic jaws designed to cut through steel beams, concrete structures, and rebar effortlessly, as if slicing through paper. Operating like a hydraulic press, these massive jaws grip the material and crush it with immense pressure, leaving behind neatly cut pieces of metal and concrete. This makes them a highly efficient and effective tool for heavy demolition and recycling work. DD Shipping's Envy's quaysides, where large ships are loaded and unloaded daily, have welcomed a new addition. The Senebogen 870 Hybrid E-Crawler Material Handler. This machine was selected for its exceptional capability to efficiently manage heavy loads and bulk materials. The C-Lock at the company's facilities boasts impressive dimensions: 28.9 feet deep, 820 feet long, and 82 feet wide. Enabling it to accommodate vessels weighing up to 10,000 tons. Operators appreciate the Senebogen 870E for its stability, mobility, and comfort. Making it the perfect choice to enhance operations on both berths. This combination grapple grasps the trunk and slices it instantly, as if the wood were mere paper. The powerful claws hold the log securely, then carefully lower it to the ground without a single jolt. Precision and power embodied in every cut. Royal IHC has introduced the High Tracker Trencher, an advanced solution for subsea cable and pipeline installation projects. This cutting-edge trenching system is designed to enhance efficiency, accuracy, and productivity in challenging offshore environments. Combining the latest technological advancements with Royal IHC's extensive subsea engineering expertise, the High Tracker Trencher offers a versatile and reliable method for trenching and burying cables and pipelines, ensuring optimal performance in demanding conditions. Rusal, the largest salt mining company, has unveiled its latest achievement, an experimental salt picker unmatched globally. Developed in-house, this innovative unit is designed to gently remove the salt layer from Lake Baskinchak, preserving its unique ecosystem and preparing fields for new salt growth. The new generation loader operates effectively at depths up to 1.6 feet, removing brine and associated rocks. The Genius crane is designed for easy disassembly and transport. Making it ideal for swift deployment on large demolition projects. Equipped with concrete and scrap shears capable of lifting 16 tons. This crane is exceptionally suitable for extensive industrial and infrastructure work. It can also be used underwater for offshore and mooring tasks at depths up to 98 feet. The Genius enhances safety and efficiency by cutting heavy concrete structures with minimal dust and vibration. Its long reach allows it to remain stationary longer, reducing the need for repositioning and preventing wasted time. These features make it particularly beneficial for projects in urban areas where minimizing disruption is crucial. This auto press isn't just a machine, it's a mobile factory for transforming scrap metal into tidy, compact bales. From car bodies to industrial waste, it handles heavy materials effortlessly. Equipped with robust hydraulic cylinders, delivering compression force of several hundred tons, this auto press efficiently tackles even the toughest conditions, ensuring reliable performance and optimal results. This heavy-duty low-bed trailer is ideal for transporting massive quarry equipment. First, the load is positioned onto the platform with lifting equipment, and then secured using steel brackets to prevent movement. The trailer's low center of gravity, combined with a robust construction, ensures stability and safety even when navigating steep or uneven quarry slopes. The mobile biomass processing plant efficiently turns wood, roots, or shrub trimmings into valuable material. The process begins with loading the biomass into a powerful auger hopper, where large rotating hammers grind it to the desired fraction. The pulverized biomass then exits through a sieve, ready for composting or biogas production. This mobile recycler is an excellent solution for transforming organic waste into renewable energy resources or compost, making it ideal for sustainable waste management and energy generation projects. The PackMat PK404 is a mobile compacting machine designed to compact all types of waste into open skips with capacities of 30 meters cubed and more. It can move equipped skips weighing up to 10 tons. This roller compactor features a sturdy frame made of welded profiles and a hydraulically driven roller weighing 2.3 tons. With its three-wheel design, the PK404 boasts a small turning radius, making it ideal for operation on compact sites. This self-propelled machine efficiently compacts waste in open skips with a length of 251 inches and a maximum height of 104 inches, and can reload skips at convenient locations. The Senebogen 640E duty cycle crane is engineered for demanding and dynamic tasks, accommodating a wide range of attachments. Its robust design makes this 40-ton machine particularly effective in building special foundations, whether paired with a leader rope grab, or hydraulic casing machine, the crane's multi-circuit hydraulic system and powerful swing drive offer unparalleled versatility. The 640E excels in logistical tasks and various construction jobs thanks to its mobile undercarriage and a 69-foot-long lattice boom, making it an invaluable asset for numerous heavy-duty applications. The Zoomlion ZR360L rotary drilling rig boasts a maximum drilling diameter of 8.2 feet and a maximum depth of 328 feet. Its main rear winch, featuring a single-coiled wire rope reel and a dual-gear mechanism, significantly extends the service life of the steel wire rope. The rig's high efficiency is driven by a high-flow main pump, a multi-stage rotor drive, and a 2-speed feed cylinder. Stability and load-carrying capacity are enhanced by the improved mass section, double booms with a parallel lowering mechanism, a large slewing platform, and a reinforced chassis. The Liebherr Model LB44 is the latest addition to Liebherr's range of specialized foundation drilling equipment. Despite its large size, this machine is easy to transport and offers excellent mobility on the job site. The innovative BAT rotary drives ensures exceptional efficiency. This advanced machine is capable of dry drilling using the Kelly boom as well as various drilling methods utilizing the continuous auger, making it versatile for a wide range of foundation projects. Now you can see for yourself that the ideal tool for trenchless drainage is the Van Dam Drainage Chain Excavator. The manufacturer, specializing in the installation of drainage pipes since 1972, is a leader in the field. This equipment uses a V-shaped plow that causes minimal or no damage and does not mix the soil. The maximum depth achievable with this method is 70 inches, making it an efficient and effective solution for trenchless drainage installation. The CMI Trashmaster Model TM11 landfill compactor builds on a legacy first developed by Rexworks and now refined in this latest model. Its unique wheel configuration, robust construction, and reliability enable waste management operations to achieve the highest production efficiency and maximize landfill life. Designed for daily use in demanding environments, the TM11 features easy maintenance, a heavy-duty mainframe, wheels, and a dozer blade. It also offers unrivaled all-around visibility and an ergonomic operator cab. The semi-U-shaped blade directs most materials to the center and then under the blade, working in conjunction with the TM11's 4 steel washer wheels with independent drive and hydrostatic drive. Introducing the Wolf 8000 Wheel Trencher, the true king of trenchers. This machine stands out with its immense power and efficiency, revolutionizing the pipe laying process. Designed for deep and precise excavations, the Wolf 8000 enables a team to swiftly and accurately lay pipes to desired depth, offering unmatched productivity on any construction site. Perfect for projects demanding speed, precision, and reliability, this trencher ensures that your tasks are completed with exceptional efficiency. Witness the power of the Wolf 8000 and elevate your trenching capabilities to new heights. It's not for the faint-hearted when one tractor sinks into the mud, but its twin, the K701, arrives for the rescue. With strong cables, a reliable clutch, and synchronized effort, one friend pulls another from the swamp, proving that teamwork can prevail even in the muddiest conditions. The moment the Dipper Fox spots a tree stump, the show begins. Its drill plunges into the soil, tearing through the stump as if it were paper, grinding it into small pieces and transforming it into wood chips in seconds. The result? Just fine, clean wood crumbs left behind. The HH160 is a robust and powerful 160-ton hinge hatch loader renowned for its exceptional loading capabilities in heavy-duty applications. When it comes to loading a drill, the HH160 truly shines. This formidable loader boasts a range of features that ensure smooth and efficient loading operations. Its high lifting capacity and impressive reach allow it to handle large drills effortlessly, minimizing the need for additional equipment or manual labor. The loader is equipped with advanced stability systems ensuring secure and balanced operations even when handling heavy loads. The complex is designed for resistance butt welding of rails with a cross-sectional area from 21.3 feet squared to 32.8 feet squared in the field during the repair and construction of railroad and streetcar tracks. It is built on a Volvo car chassis equipped with a railroad track and bogies that enable movement on the rails through the friction of car wheels on tracks with a width of 4.98 or 4.7 feet. The truck body houses an automotive diesel generator, welding machine, pumping action, control cabinet, hydraulically powered hoist, and auxiliary equipment, making it a comprehensive solution for on-site rail welding tasks. In the gypsum mine, the Epiroc ER2000 drum cutter proves to be an unparalleled expert. This remarkable machine delivers exceptional productivity and precision, effortlessly cutting through gypsum as if it were butter. Its design ensures top-quality processing while minimalizing dust production, making it a valuable asset for any mining operation. The ER2000 excels even in the toughest conditions, transforming strenuous tasks into seamless and efficient work. It's the ideal blend of power and innovation required for today's mining demands. Carlton presents a professional-grade stump grinder that transforms stumps into wood mulch instantly. Equipped with hydraulic mechanisms powering robust cutters and a self-propelled control system, it grinds wood directly into the soil, leaving behind only clean earth and valuable mulch for landscaping. Introducing one of the industry's best mini mixers, now with a new hydraulic system to meet the growing needs of developing small towns. This 3 meters cubed mixer truck can navigate narrow roads and reach difficult locations. The self-loading machine features a traffic chamber, automatic water supply and dosing system, an electronic suction pump, and more. Additionally, the mixer drum can be raised by 20 degrees to facilitate concrete unloading. The loading of oversized cargo is subject to increased requirements because the quality and safety of delivery depends on the reliability of its fastening. Introducing the next-generation Model 423 dump truck, designed exclusively for the mining industry. This advanced vehicle boasts air suspension and oversized wheels, ensuring superior maneuverability and productivity. Its cutting-edge technology, scalability, and cost-reducing capabilities of up to 69% make it an essential addition to any quarry operation. Witness its incredible performance and efficiency. The Classic V amphibious dredger offers an unprecedented combination of mobility and powerful dredging capability. Aquamex innovations elevate WaterMaster's performance in both soft and hard substrates, as well as in urban dredging environments. While the machine's size remains virtually unchanged from the first-generation Classic 1, its dredging performance has nearly tripled. Compared to the Classic 4, the Classic 5 boasts a 50% improvement, allowing it to complete projects many times faster. The Bauer Model BG45 is the world's largest rotary drilling rig, weighing approximately 170 tons and designed for subsea ground improvement. This massive machine is ideal for drilling bored piles up to 146 inches in diameter 311 feet deep, making it suitable for the most demanding applications. The BG45 can also be converted to CFA moving mode, where it can install piles up to 59 inches in diameter and 126 feet deep. This versatility makes the BG45 an essential machine for various foundation construction applications. The Unimog U530 sets new standards in municipal operations. Offering efficient solutions for year-round grounds maintenance. With a two-person team, mowing becomes effortless. The driver operates the front mowers, while the passenger manages the tail boom through a convenient mowing door. Safety and stability on various terrains are ensured by a tire pressure monitoring system and robust truck tires. When winter arrives, the Unimog is ready with a Schmidt plow and Cooper Weiser spreader, effectively combating ice with brine distribution. The reliable U500 continues its service by cleaning road edges and eliminating weeds using its powerful brush. Wagner presents the industry's most productive and economical log stacker, the L490. Renowned for its safety and productivity, this log loader upholds the Wagner brand's legacy of reliability. The new model features significantly faster hydraulics, allowing it to lift loads twice as quickly as its predecessors. For enhanced safety, the L490 is equipped with double ladders for safe exit and ground-level service bays for easy and safe maintenance. This combination of speed, safety, and ease of use makes the L490 an exceptional choice in the market. Take a look at the revolutionary brick-making machine from SNPC Machines, India, a fully automated marvel that can produce up to 6,000 bricks per hour. This device simplifies the process, requiring only 3 to 4 workers to operate, and is the world's first mobile machine that can lay bricks while moving, using raw materials such as clay, mud, or a mixture with fly ash. This machine is perfect for Idabata brick factories and kilns, demanding high productivity of red bricks. Cool, isn't it? The Dutchman 30-degree tapered tree shovel, available in models ranging from 330 to 600, with model 420 shown in the video, is perfect for digging up trees with tap roots or in sandy soil. The shovel's design is almost completely enclosed at the bottom, minimizing soil loss. However, the pointed shape results in less stable and balanced root clods. This compact shovel is ideal for small to medium-sized loaders with a digging range from 34 inches to 20 inches. The weight of the inner frame is approximately 1,450 pounds, making it a robust tool for efficient tree digging. The LKT tractor is a true forest powerhouse, hauling massive logs as if they were mere twigs. With its powerful engine and superior traction, it confidently navigates challenging forest paths, proving itself indispensable in logging operations. Massive branches appear to yield to the saw blade. Then comes the moment of truth. One precise cut, and the branch gracefully falls. Timing is everything. Stepping aside in time is essential, as it's a thrilling yet dangerous sight. What kind of items, parts, and mechanisms have to be transported? A wide variety. The K-Tech 1233 is the most popular model in the K-Tech scraper lineup, renowned for its versatility, fuel efficiency, and impressive loading speeds in all soil conditions. By mounting two K-Tech 1233 scrapers in tandem behind a single tractor or ATV, this system can move an astounding 50 meters cubed of material in a single cycle with just one operator. This fully integrated tandem scraper setup doubles the material moved with a single 450 horsepower power unit, significantly enhancing efficiency and productivity. Introducing the Technoc APP, a groundbreaking digital tool from Technicar Trailers, designed to revolutionize trailer management. This innovative app allows drivers to control essential trailer functions directly from the cab, enhancing safety and operational efficiency. It integrates seamlessly with ABS/EBS systems and various sensors, offering real-time monitoring of the trailer's condition. Technoc APP also detects operational anomalies, ensuring that any issues are quickly addressed, providing a smart and reliable solution for modern trailer management. Camp C has successfully printed a real two-story residential house with an area of 90 square meters and a height of 8 meters, using Europe's largest concrete 3D printer. What makes this house particularly unique is that this is the first two-story 3D printed house, as other 3D printed houses worldwide typically have only one floor. This house was printed as part of the European C3PO project, supported financially by the European Regional Development Fund. The project partners aim to increase the construction industry's interest in using 3D printed concrete as a building technique. They believe such homes could significantly reduce material and energy consumption, CO2 emissions, and waste. Now we can only watch to see what developments come next. There are times in life when it is impossible to get out of a difficult situation without help. Especially valuable cargo requires special care, so there's no need to rush. That's quite a pipe. It's even scary to look at, and I'm afraid to even think about how difficult it is to transport. Yeah, it's not a task for beginners. You're looking at the best-in-class ledge cutter from Dooker. This state-of-the-art technology allows you to perform perfect shoulder milling and load the milled material in a single operation with a working width of 4.1 feet. The machine also features auxiliary augers, which increases the working width to 5.6 to 6.9 feet, making it easier to work under and behind fences. Additionally, it includes a specifically attached broom that cleans the street in a similar manner. The SBF 900 ledge milling machine is Dooker's best self-propelled version. Equipped with hydraulic travel and milling drive. The SBF 900 shoulder milling machine uses a copy roller to push the loading vehicle in front of it, determining the optimum working speed for efficient operation. The RWE 100 cutter wheel is a robust cutting tool designed for excavation and trenching. Ideal for use with excavators or backhoes, it boasts exceptional performance, durability, and versatility. Constructed with high-quality materials and advanced engineering, the RWE 100 ensures reliable operation, even in challenging conditions, making it perfect for construction and underground utility work. Its design allows it to withstand the rigors of demanding excavation tasks, providing efficient and effective cutting capabilities. This is more than just woodworking. It's an art where technology converges with nature to create something extraordinary. A simple walnut log transforms into an elegant table that will soon become the centerpiece of someone's kitchen. It all begins with a precise cut through a massive woodworking machine, laying the foundation for subsequent processing and finishing steps. J-Lore's largest TMR mixer is designed to mix and transport over 1,000 cubic feet, or 32 meters cubed, of TMR. It features a rugged walking tandem with dual tires and optional brakes, hydraulic or pneumatic, making it capable of handling heavy rations on feedlots. The mixer is available with various patented augers, including sliding plate augers for fast, low-power feed processing and slant blade augers for heavier loading, ideal for processing dense meat. This commercial mixer is built to endure the demands of intensive feeding operations. The UNAC Rail Model 22 TRR railroad excavator is packed with impressive features. It can lift loads up to 6 tons and boasts 2 motorized rail axles for hydrostatic movement and braking. The machine is also equipped with a special boom safety system that limits movement when working under live wires, ensuring safety and reliability during operations. Pavelli is renowned for producing fully customized trailers, maintaining an artisanal approach and family management for over 40 years. Their latest innovation is a special modular low-bed semi-trailer featuring a center beam frame that is extendable and expandable with a removable height-adjustable neck. The entire structure is hot-dipped galvanized for high corrosion resistance and longevity. This semi-trailer includes pneumatic or hydraulic suspension with a knee mechanism and hydraulic steering system with radio control for easy maneuvering, exemplifying Pavelli's commitment to quality and adaptability.
If you are thrilled by the immense power of heavy equipment and the wonders of modern engineering, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Join us as we explore technological frontiers and uncover the impressive innovations shaping our world.